Proteins are the tiny machines that keep every living organism alive and kicking. From breaking down food to fighting off infections, they do it all. But here's a twist: their superpowers come from their incredibly complex three-dimensional shapes.
Hi guys, and welcome back. This week we'll be diving into the fascinating world of protein structures and a revolutionary technology that's helping us better understand them, which is AlphaFold 3 by DeepMind and Isomorphic Labs.
Think of proteins as long necklaces made up of amino acids. The way these amino acids interact with each other determines how the necklace folds into a specific shape. This shape is crucial because it defines what the protein can do.
Now imagine you're trying to fold this linear piece of tape into a highly specific three-dimensional shape. There are millions of ways that the protein could fold, but only a few correct shapes. This is a challenge that scientists face with proteins.
To find the right shape, scientists have to consider the protein's energy states. The correct structure has the lowest free energy, kind of like how a perfectly folded piece of paper stays put, whereas a crumpled one will try to unfold. However, here's the kick. Out of the 200 million known proteins, we've only mapped the structures of about 170,000 with experimental methods like X-ray crystallography. That's where AlphaFold comes in.
AlphaFold is an AI system that predicts a protein's 3D structure from its amino acid sequence. It uses deep learning, combining convolutional neural networks with attention mechanisms to understand these sequences. In simpler terms, AlphaFold takes the amino acid sequence of a protein, compares it with known sequences to find similarities, and then predicts the structure using advanced algorithms. First, it creates a multiple sequence alignment, or MSA for short, to find similar proteins. Then, it refines this information through a transformer model, either evoformer in AlphaFold 2 or the new and improved pairformer in AlphaFold 3. Finally, it predicts the 3D coordinates of the protein's atoms, giving this protein an accurate 3D structure. So what's new with AlphaFold 3? Well, unlike its predecessor, AlphaFold 3 doesn't just stop at proteins. It can now predict structures of DNA, RNA, ions, and even modified residues. This expanded capability means that AlphaFold 3 can help us understand a wider range of biomolecules and their interactions, with higher accuracy in predicting how proteins interact with other molecules, like drugs or DNA. AlphaFold 3 is a game changer for drug discovery, protein engineering, and even vaccine development. By accurately predicting protein structures, it helps researchers design drugs that target diseases way more precisely. For example, understanding protein-ligand interactions can help in developing new medications. It's also used to design proteins with specific functions, like enzymes that can break down plastics, or proteins for therapeutic uses.
And let's not forget vaccines. By predicting the structure of our proteins, AlphaFold aids in designing vaccines that can target viruses more effectively.
In a nutshell, AlphaFold 3 is not just a leap forward in protein structure prediction. It's a monumental step for all of biology, and it's bringing us closer to understanding life at a molecular level like never before.